Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. In today's video I'm going to tell you what to do if your battery percentage is not showing on your NUBIA Air. So, at first we need to go to the settings over here and scroll down to the battery over here. Now scroll even further till you see the more settings. And now battery percentage. Tap this option. Here you can select if you want the battery percentage outside the battery. Don't display, which probably you have selected. Display inside, or don't display battery percentage at all here. It depends actually on what you really want, but I prefer display outside of the battery. But if it doesn't go for you and you have it enabled, you have to remember that in some devices it's not available. Of course, I mean the software version, if you have here the older version, only newer that they have removed, or they do have removed it, it may be unavailable. But if you do have this option over here, it is available. So what to do now? I do recommend going here into the Play Store, going search, and now battery, search for the battery widget. Here search for the battery widget. For example, let it be Battery Widget Reborn. Here, if we tap install button, we can add the widget, which will get our battery on the main screen. Let's tap open that. Consent, so it automatically add widget, battery widget, add to home screen. And now, as you can see, it's here. This is your battery widget, and actually you can modify it as you want, based on your preferences. But that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.